Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill the affidavit for the Honhaar scholarship. This crucial document verifies your eligibility and commitment to the scholarship terms. We'll go through each step, ensuring you understand the requirements and can complete it accurately. A properly filled affidavit is essential for your application to be considered, so pay close attention to the details we'll cover. Let's make sure your submission is perfect. Before you begin filling out the affidavit, it's vital to gather all necessary documents. This includes your personal identification, like a government-issued ID and proof of residence. You'll also need all your academic records, such as mark sheets and degrees, to verify your educational background. Finally, prepare any financial documents, like income certificates, to support your scholarship application. Having these ready will streamline the entire process. Now, let's walk through filling the affidavit form itself. Start by thoroughly reading every instruction and section to avoid errors. Begin with your personal information, ensuring your name, address, and contact details are precisely entered. Next, accurately detail your academic achievements and financial situation, matching all information to your prepared documents. Double-check all dates and numerical figures for consistency. Precision here is key for a successful submission. The final steps involve notarization and submission. You must sign the affidavit in front of a notary public or an authorized official, who will then verify your signature and stamp the document. This legalizes your declaration. After notarization, make sure to create at least 2 copies for your personal records. Finally, submit the original, completed, and notarized affidavit along with all other required scholarship application materials by the specified deadline. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.